Today, I want to speak to you about Dr. Andrew Holness and Mr. Mark Gould in budget presentation for 2024. When I listen to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Honorable Dr. Andrew Holness, and the Leader of the Opposition, Mr. Mark Gould, for 2024, I'm saying there's no hope for Jamaica. Both budget presentations lack a clear vision of what Jamaica needs to take it to the other level. It seems that what we have is a bankruptcy of intellectual idea that our political parties and by extension their leaders cannot think beyond normal things of the people of Jamaica. On reflecting on the Prime Minister's presentation, he has awarded poor people an extra $1,000 on their pay per week, $4,000 per month, which is less than, I would think, 1%. And he gave himself and the others a minimum of a 300% increase. And that says to me that he who plays the piper call the flute, and it's clear in the case of Jamaica that the backwardness of our political leader and the bankruptcy of these guys is the reason why that's what they offer us, what they do. When I compare what is being done by Tory in Faso, Africa, and I see the vision that this young man has for his people and what he's progressing, what he's articulating, and what he's doing, it gives me hope as a black person that somebody has got it and somebody understands. But clearly it's not understood by our two political parties. You know, one of the nonsense that I see running on an ad running on YouTube and other places that Jamaicans need to own the road. But let me ask a question. Isn't the roads owned by the people of Jamaica? So the people of Jamaica own the place, Jamaica. They select their representative to do things on their behalf, and the representatives sell the things out to somebody else and then say that they need to own it. This is the level of vision that both the PNP and the GLP has for Jamaicans. We are offered little or nothing. They give you a little in terms of the NHT. NHT was designed, Mr. Prime Minister and Mr. Mark Gould, for the poor people of Jamaica. And clear that money is being used and squandered and wasted on the middle class and the upper class. You're building homes using the hard-earned monies of the poor, making apartments that the middle class are struggling to afford. Yes, that's the vision we have for the people of Jamaica. No one in my comment can ever tell me that none of the two political parties genuinely have the people's interest of Jamaica at heart. And if you say that you have they have the political interest and the well-being of Jamaicans, I'm saying go and check a number of African countries. In fact, many of the African countries reflect what Jamaica is reflecting. Corrupt, barbaric, low trust society that is driven by men who don't care about the people. And they take a few African countries, and there's a young gentleman in Africa who is a captain of the army, Burkina Faso, that's the name of the place in Africa, who's really making a significant stride to build his people. What Jamaica do, Jamaica sell all the lands when the political parties are in power. I remember the people vest in them their interest for them to actually what? Do things on their behalf. And what they do is they rape and pillage the people and then offer them little or nothing in return for it, like many of the other African countries in the world. You're a set of bastards. both the PMP and the JLP, the people who are in it at the moment, are sort of bastards. You're a set of persons who do not care about the interests of the Jamaican people. And I think the time has come for the people to decide not to vote for none of it for you and put inside persons who genuinely care about them. When last have you seen any of the two political parties put in place policies and programs that genuinely benefit the average Jamaican? I'm talking to you, Labour, right? I'm talking to you, PNP. Tell me when. When have they instituted program that genuinely help the people of Jamaica? And you're claiming that they're in your interest. They're interest for a few. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel as I continue to provide you with trusted information for you to use to make decisions. I'm going to give you the presentation of Mr. Andrew Holness, Dr. Andrew Holness, sorry, Mr. Mark Golding, and Captain Torre of Burkina Faso, and for you to look and see the difference. I'm going to put those three things that I mentioned in the description for you to look and compare and see what I'm talking about. These guys don't care about us. I'm going to leave that with you. Like Michael Jackson said, they don't care about us.